another cliche and boring introduction, threatening you to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Tanmayi. Phone case is an accessory which speaks about you and it gives a hint to people about your personality ideally. So here I am showing you a few ideas on how to customize your phone case. So let's get started. Trace the case out and cut it down. This is like the template or base for all the DIYs I show now. I am a tumbler freak. If you are too, then you must try this out. Choose the pattern paper of your choice. Cut it according to the template. Now take a piece of paper and write an adjective that suits you the best. And glue it to the pattern paper. Paint anything you like. It could be a cactus or a football or anything you fancy the most. I made pineapples because I love to eat them and they give a summer look too. Make sure the detailings are on point. Outline is optional. This is my favorite among all. I have this on my phone right now. You can print any image from the internet, cut it off and place it on the phone case and you're done. You Google it and print it out. Yes, it's as simple as that. I trimmed the sides of the logo and sticked it to the base. This turned out super cool and I've really seen this kind of case online. You can easily make your very own custom design. I'll show you how. Google PNG images. Make the background PNG. I used clippingmagic.com. Choose the dimensions according to the size of your phone and edit. Now print it out and it looks something like this. I choose to cut and stick each of them using some cello tape. You can absolutely skip this step. Glitter is indeed girls' favorite. Trust me, it looks great. Apply some glue and sprinkle glitter on top of it. Keep removing the excess. Make one more layer with glue so that it stays in place and let it dry. Washi tapes are another super easy way to pep up your phone case. Stick the washi tape as you like and leave it for few days. Later, remove the tape and you would love the result. You can place any photograph you admire the most. This is the easiest among all of them. Just trim the photograph according to the template and it's ready. So that is it for the video. If you find this helpful, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell because I am back and I'll be uploading some interesting stuff timely. See you guys very soon. Bye!